The West Indies women began their ICC World Cup qualifiers on a resounding note, beating Ireland women by 6 wickets in Zimbabwe. Electing to field, the West Indies knocked over the Irish for 159 inside 43 overs. Gabby Lewis, who top scored with 36, got support from Amir Richardson, 32. Anisa Mohammed was the pick of the West Indies bowlers, finishing with figures of 3 for 40, while captain Stefani Taylor grabbed it 2 for 15. The West Indies got to 163 for 4 of 39 overs, thanks to a player of the match performance of 73 from Deandra Dottin and Taylor with an unbeaten 41. Richardson returned to take 2 for 33. Windies head coach Courtney Walsh was pleased with the team's all-round performance.
A good game. They got off to a decent start. We were able to peg them back, get a couple of wickets, and managed to bowl them out in the end, which was very good to us. And the batters did the job. Deandra played extremely well, supported by the skipper in the batting department, and we were very happy with that. I think on the field we started a little bit slow. But once Anissa broke the partnership and the girls got into it and got a couple of wickets and healed the ball pretty well as well, I think. And once we started getting those wickets, then we got back into the game in terms of taking control and just, I thought, dominated the entire game in the end.